Ni kedai bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat Mardor.
Kalapangap Khanduli Border Areas Joint Action Committee kabalong kakunhun ya kabalathaw khanang nagabanta banya khun persha ya ka jingpenthot bat jingpending jong ka sarkar Assam ha ka hinriu trik Urisau arjar arpho kalalaj banya kendo ya u Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Jaintia Hills District uba Garot LSN Dykes ban Pynsngew halor ka jingdawa ban Tuklar Mardor ya ka jingkentor port ka sarkar Assam sya upot usam jong ka jala Meghalaya da ka basna ya ka Surok hagasnong khapun haka jingikran bar uchaman jong committee uba perkhat perpen uloong baka joint action committee kala kerpat yaki Borsenshar ka West Jaintia Hills District ban Pynsngew yaki ka Jingshna Surok jubor daka sarkar Assam kat hado ban kantor sya upot usam jong kasnong lapangap ka badang hap hapo upot usam jong ka jala Meghalaya.
We strongly oppose the illegal encroachment and the road construction by the Assam government within the Lapangap areas. As well, it falls under the Meghalaya demarcation. The people of Lapangap, they live there because this beautiful land we got from our forefathers for cultivation and use another activities. But if we lost it today, then very difficult to get it back. So as a people of that area, we strongly oppose the road construction by the Assam government. But today also we have a prize and request our Deputy Commissioner, please follow up what we have submitted last year, 2019. But we request him to stop the road construction because once they completed the road by the Assam, our farmers and the landholders, they are crying to whom to approach. They will regret for the future because the Assam, they will force them even to register to Assam government, or maybe they will disturb them from time to time. But as a member, as a committee, we came here today totally oppose this road construction. But what happened last year, 2019, as a Lapangap village, they came just to repair the route from Lapangap to Khanduli, just to reach the Khanduli market. But suddenly, the Assam government, along with the heavy force, they came and disturbed us, not allow us to do the work. But what happened also to Khanduli? Our PMGSY route from Khanduli to Mokairam, already 5 years now, we cannot do the work. They stop us. We cannot do anything. But as a committee, we strongly oppose this strategy and tactics of the Assam government. When they do the work, they ask the clear intimation. But when they do the work, not require the intimation. This is they create us a confusion. We take seriously for this matter, for the betterment of the people of that area, as well for the honor of the Jaintia Hills people. Only so much. The route from Khanduli to Mogairam, PMGSY road, another route from Sachama to Artiang, already 5 years now, we cannot continue the work. When they start the work, the Assam government, they come and disturb. But even they destroy the vehicles. But it is our right, it is our feeling, our conscience to stop the road constructed by the Assam. They should respect the status quo. But the Assam government, they do not respect the status quo. We respect, but the Assam government, they do not respect. We will see at present, the road constructed by Assam, they put on hold. Okay? So we'll see what will happen for the next step, we'll see.
Ketika Lapangap Khanduli Border Areas Joint Action Committee pada pan appointment lagi, itu untuk Jingshna Surok nak liang yang ke kontrapat Assam ini nak tapak lepalak. Ke por wan ini dapat mau bingau dengan senam lebok tinggi. Tengah lapakun mau iki wa lấy xin nhiệt chém ý được nấm man cái xin và nhiệt chém ngạc đồng viêm miên nhỏ kini ni bahawan kita jenis ngau thau da penjot ke hali penjot ke lum ko wa yang ki krekenda terdang iki ngai ka les yang ki krekenda yo man da thau che sam penyu tong iki untuk dua isu yang badal bagi krekenda ambil permission PV na pi ni kam ngajak alaisin ya chamnusnam hagasin boleh teng ye penjokat li niki kot isla yo kendau bukan di sungi le kendau ye ketekam da eti ka cha ke bio thada sken kuman kam ke bodan misrit na ke liang ke bio le da bok tarik ko da tho chithi ko ka khat ui trip number ongko wan persakhiat di kini trek kendau office yang ka aga arpul trek number takat kap report na ka border sit mun amuat itu chithi kate permo gianga nyal permo kini bha da am agriculture takila kubor ki wa inta ko wa haktu sing slap ni wa ngau iki mok kata kasla menjok wan tang to lu di sini ni ma la cisnam na do nombal te ye ki pokon mo ya kal ni wan nun ko porda tega jing ya klam ne dong mot sa cisien perkemo iki teki trik na trik na ile hem de ni ga kom perkhat kan nem to wa we to ki development works the m ko jingkut apli aplikasi to we pentot kawi kamram to we pentet to lo ong persenge hab am dekwin kita go biang to kita kinda am di monjori nga hagate ka nong rem perkhat yak lam kila to we to nu surok nak yang ki kwa ba persenge to ong ki perkhat ni bha haga jogopor ile wa ukre te yaki wan cha ukre te dong biang chediet te dong la chkmat kam li kot pri arstiet petip iwi te lada pensange ki yakni ka kre yaki kre the burn works next year pada katni dan pekam ki bodar area kasanda self dam gru penwet ye katne ka surok dei Julai ke ong Jingshna
2019
te nga pik nga mot ban tho hi officially ba sange namar kinik trai kendau mok ki persya ngam ong dei bodar de namar ngamla bandong persange namar ke dei mok ke dei ke bodar le ke district de namar ke dei kot benginum penthot ikut menluap Hendai ngong pinga klamla ban tho official formally ban pensange kumbaki kwa nama dikata ke nong dia mau mengadai ban dikena dilanas ngipat yo rega les nama lim lawan ke snong bagi klim hi bagi de cloud snong ngala tho sepok ke sepok di Assam ban sange bat kilu kla cupap ba keto kedai ke sental skim ang ngam mok ke kata kedon ba kedai ke keto ke right to keto ko ban snai ke ban ring ki light ki tu kemat ngalatip ngalapen bat kele jubab ru ba kedai ke sental skim ke ba mok ba ba ko ke skim jor sentral ban tani itu ke boarding light gitu di pentah kilowan kendo yang ban ngetho ikata ya kata ki hadir kata ki ngapit di tuksno ngam yor buat ki ya persya di kam persya ke don hi hangne hantai henry in general ngai bagi burong phiru pasai pete ketuk surok napok berto mukro cedok diteng kaya nang ta ke school hapo mulom bere mau lebar ke Jingshna kaya
Kamdan
ke Kamdan
dan ke Jingshna tho lani tik matel yang Kamdan
ke Kamdan hendai ke ong ye kata ke communication ke dan tik teng Islam bat Muslim nama teng communication blog nama ke yu ke bagi ke next tentang komdeng ma kedai ke banaki por mungswa hakiki sim kedai ke expansion dan ke yu komdeng suka pertemuan ta ke dagong bengi komdeng suka pertemuan ta ke dau ngi klam